Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use Pipeliner CRM. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your Pipeliner CRM account. Step 1. Visit the Pipeliner CRM website, www.pipelinersales.com. Step 2. Click on the Start Free Trial button. You'll be prompted to enter your business email address and create a password. Step 3. Once you enter your details, click Sign Up and Pipeliner CRM will send you a verification email. Step 4. Check your inbox and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Step 5. After verification, you will be directed to your Pipeliner CRM dashboard. Number 2. Understanding the dashboard. Once logged in, you will land on the Pipeliner CRM dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub where you can access all your data and manage your sales pipeline. Here's what you will find on the dashboard. Pipeline Overview. The main part of the dashboard shows your sales pipeline, which visualizes your stages and deals. You can customize your pipeline by adding stages like lead, prospect, negotiation, or any stages that suit your sales process. Activity Feed. Here, you can view recent activities including emails, calls, meetings, and any updates made to your leads and opportunities. Tasks and Reminders. On the right side of the dashboard, you will see your upcoming tasks, meetings, and reminders. This helps keep you organized and ensures you don't miss important actions. Search Bar. At the top of the dashboard, there is a search bar to quickly find contacts, opportunities, or specific data in your CRM. Number 3. Customizing your pipeline. Pipeline CRM allows you to customize your sales pipeline to match your business needs. To do this, Step 1. Go to the Pipeline section on the left sidebar. Step 2. You will see the different stages of your pipeline. To edit a stage, click on the 3 dots next to the stage name and select Edit. You can change the name, add new stages, or delete unnecessary ones. Step 3. To reorder the stages, click and drag the stages to a new position in the pipeline. Step 4. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click Save. This will ensure your pipeline structure is aligned with your sales process. Number 4. Adding contacts and accounts. With Pipeline CRM, you can store detailed information about your contacts and accounts. Step 1. On the left sidebar, click on Contacts to access your contacts list. Step 2. To add a new contact, click the plus icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Enter the contact's details, including name, email, phone number, and any other relevant information. Step 4. After entering the details, click Save. The new contact will be added to your contact list and can be used within your sales pipeline. You can also link contacts to companies, accounts. To do this, simply add the account name in the contact's details or create a new account by following similar steps in the Accounts section. Number 5. Creating and managing opportunities. Opportunities represent potential sales or deals. Pipeliner CRM allows you to track opportunities and their progress within your pipeline. Here's how to create and manage opportunities. Step 1. Go to the Opportunities section in the left sidebar. Step 2. To add a new opportunity, click on the plus icon located at the top right of the Opportunities page. Step 3. Enter the opportunity name, associated contact, expected value, and expected close date. Step 4. Select the pipeline stage for the opportunity. Example, lead, negotiation, close. Step 5. Add any relevant notes or tasks related to the opportunity, then click Save. Step 6. Once the opportunity is created, you can move it through the stages by simply dragging and dropping it in your pipeline view. This visual approach helps you track the progress of each deal. Number 6. Managing activities and tasks. Pipeliner CRM helps you stay organized by letting you schedule tasks and log activities. To create tasks or activities, Step 1. Go to the Activities section in the left sidebar. Step 2. Click on the plus icon to create a new activity or task. Step 3. Choose the activity type, such as call, email, meeting, or task. Step 4. Enter the details for the activity, such as the date, time, and any notes related to the task. Step 5. Assign the activity to a specific contact or opportunity if needed. Step 6. Click Save to schedule the activity. You will receive reminders for upcoming tasks and activities. Additionally, you can log activities after they are completed. Simply go to the contact or opportunity record and click on Log Activity. This helps maintain a history of interactions. Number 7. Using the reporting features. Pipeliner CRM offers powerful reporting tools to help you analyze and improve your sales process. To use the reporting features, Step 1. Click on the Report section in the left sidebar. Step 2. Pipeliner offers various pre-built reports templates such as sales performance, activity summary, and pipeline analysis. Choose a template that suits your needs. Step 3. Customize the report by selecting specific data ranges, sales teams, or opportunities to include. Step 4. Once the report is ready, you can view it on screen or export it as a PDF or Excel file for further analysis. Step 5. Use these insights to identify areas for improvement in your sales process, like adjusting strategies for deals stuck in certain stages. Number 8. Automation features. One of the key features of Pipeliner CRM is automation. With automation, you can save time on repetitive tasks. Here's how to set up automations. Step 1. Go to the automation section in the left sidebar. Step 2. Click Create Automation. Step 3. Choose the trigger for the automation, such as when a new opportunity is added or when an activity is completed. Step 4. Set the action you want to occur, such as sending an email, assigning a task, or updating an opportunity stage. Step 5. Click Save to activate the automation. This helps keep your sales process running smoothly without manual intervention. Number 9. Integrating Pipeliner CRM with other tools. Pipeliner CRM allows integration with various third-party applications. To streamline your workflow, here's how to integrate it. Step 1. Go to the Settings section in the left sidebar. Step 2. Click on Integrations. Step 3. Browse through the available integrations such as Google Workspace, Slack, and email platforms. Step 4. Follow the prompts to connect your external tools with Pipeliner CRM. Step 5. Once integrated, you can sync contacts, calendars, and other data seamlessly between Pipeliner CRM and your other apps. Number 10. Mobile app and accessibility. Pipeliner CRM offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices, providing users with the flexibility to manage their CRM from anywhere. The app ensures that you can access your sales pipeline, contacts, opportunities, and key activities while on the go. It allows you to update information, track progress, and stay connected with your team, all from the convenience of your mobile device. With a user-friendly interface similar to the desktop version, the app makes it easy to monitor and manage your sales processes, whether you are in the office, at a meeting, or traveling. And that is all there is on how to use Pipeliner CRM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.